I've been comparing Leadpages and GoHighlevel throughout 2025, and while both platforms are excellent tools for digital marketing, they serve very different purposes. Your choice really depends on whether you want a simple, focused solution or a powerful all-in-one platform for managing every aspect of your marketing funnel. Leadpages is built for speed and simplicity. It's a landing page builder that helps you create high-converting pages without writing any code. With its drag-and-drop editor, professionally designed templates, and features like pop-ups and alert bars, it's perfect for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs who need to get campaigns up and running quickly. It's lightweight, intuitive, and specifically focused on lead capture and conversion optimization. If your main goal is to build landing pages that look great and convert, Leadpages is built to do just that fast. GoHighlevel, by contrast, is a full-scale marketing automation platform designed for agencies and businesses that want to manage everything in one place. It includes CRM tools, email and SMS automation, funnel builders, appointment scheduling, and more. It's incredibly powerful and flexible, allowing you to centralize your marketing operations instead of juggling multiple tools. That said, it's a bit more complex to learn and set up, so it's better suited for users who have time to dig in or teams that manage client campaigns on a regular basis. If you just need to launch professional landing pages quickly and easily, Leadpages is the smart, streamlined choice. But if you're managing clients, need a full marketing stack, or want tighter integration between your campaigns and your CRM, GoHighlevel gives you far more control and versatility. If this comparison helped you decide which platform fits your goals better, be sure to like the video, share it with someone weighing their options, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.